Huzur like to tell us some of the events that Huzur had during his trip to Germany lately?
I think there is not much to tell because most of the programs were televised simultaneously, and you must have, the whole of the world must have watched it. But it was good to see that some Arab converts, with the grace of Allah, are very actively preaching. Some non-Arab African converts are also, who speak Arabic, are doing an excellent job. And with the grace of Allah, they are converting more Arabs now who have come to settle in Germany, temporarily or permanently, to Ahmadiyya, and they are earning a good name with the grace of Allah. So I hope, inshallah, if the Arab world does not permit us to preach within their territory, they change the territory where we can preach to them. Now it has just reminded me that I saw many nations there who played kabaddi. Even one of the Nigerians also played good kabaddi. But I never saw an Arab playing kabaddi. Is it not introduced in Arabia? But I think people from Palestine, very strong Ahmadis, mashallah. And if you introduce kabaddi there, that will be a good idea. Do that. Bring your team next time. Instead of Canada, Palestine challenging the German kabaddi players, I think they can make a very good kabaddi team. Very stoutly built, yes, right for the kabaddi. It's up your duty now. But don't try it yourself. I know you're not too old, but still, I think learn how to train others, but don't play yourself, please. Today, I don't know how it reminded me that once an Arab asked me, why are you wearing bakri on your head? Bakri. I said, how can I wear a goat on my head? Bakri means goat. So for the pay, they say bay. And for gaf, they say kaf. And for re, they say re. So it makes a bakri. I was amazed. I said, what do you mean? I'm wearing a bakri? He said, yes, you are wearing a bakri. Then I thought, then I remembered. I said, no, I know. You mean spaghetti.